Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of Merge Mansion with unlimited resources on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the guide, my guys. So this is a very easy guide. Basically, there's a website called hexmods.com. They have a bunch of mods for apps and games. So go over to this site, find Merge Mansion, go ahead and press on it, press the down button, and bang, you got the mod already installing on your device. So that is super cool. I'm going to walk you guys through the process. Before it downloads the Merge Mansion mod, you are going to have to do a verification. It's very easy. You just have to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% free, and they're from the App Store. So as you can see, it says Merge Mansion mod installer, complete 2 free apps. So the problem is a lot of people will download 2 of the apps and they won't read the instructions. So you have to read them and complete them. For instance, download and run for 30 seconds, install up and make a 30-second call, whatever it is. Anyway, just press tap to install. If you're on an iPhone, it'll bring you to the App Store. If you're on an Android, it'll bring you to the Play Store. And you download the apps, you're done. So make sure you do 2 of these and you actually read the instructions, and then you'll get your Merge Mansion hack, guys, for 2025. Like, that is insane, bro. As you can see, what the heck, this actually works. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe. As long as you do this verification, guys, you should get the Merge Mansion mod. And I know how much everything costs to Merge Mansion. It's really bad. I'll try to show you. So let me just go over to the store, and I'm just gonna type in Merge Mansion, and there it is. And then we go down here, and as you can see, up to $100 for the in-app purchases. That is wild. So if you guys are interested in paying money, you can do that, but I would rather do a one-time verification and get the Merge Mansion mod. Yeah, baby. So this actually works, guys. I'll see you later. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is super cool, and it's for iOS and Android, all the devices in between. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.